Good morning. Welcome to the new phase of training workshop. As you can see, following the health protocols are very evident in our training workshop. Napaaga po tayo ng dating dito sa venue. Ayan, oras na para mag-register. Kaya ito, nagre-register na po tayo for the workshop. Miss namin ang isa't isa kasi ngayon lang ulit nagkita-kita because of this COVID-19 that we are facing today. Orientation sa taas. So, meron pa kami na kami na aking mga kasamang guro na nandito ngayon sa training workshop. Magandang araw! Tayo ngayon ay nakahanda na namang muli sa pangalawang araw ng ating training workshop. Kaya halika, tara na! Early bird po ulit tayo dito sa venue. Ayan, syempre ready to work na si Maestra. Seryoso na si Maestra sa paggawa ng mga dapat i-accomplish. Division Supervisor, Mama Dailin Garcia, and to each and every one of you, a blessed day. Welcome to our third day training workshop on the development and enhancement of appropriate learning resources for K-3 learners. So I hope you will be enjoying the rest of our activities for today, and stay alert, alive in a way, because this afternoon is our home sweet home. And to begin with our program for this morning, let's stand for the singing of our nationalistic song. Please rise. Ito po yung aming pinag-aaralan ngayon. Ang paggamit ng Kenny Master. Kung paano po kami makakatulong ng mga teacher na ganap sa aming mga estudyante.
Tapos, next na
Ayan, ito. Ito naman yung sa radio broadcasting. Kung paano marireach out yung malalayong bata.
people and listen very closely.
Martha, look who's coming. Your kids. I'm going to go over for lunch. So everyone, just tell him we went home.
Guys, have you seen Maria? There's something we need to tell her.
She didn't go. Sorry. Palaban si Maestra ng kauntian doon Thank you for watching. Ito ang totoong buhay Maestra. See you in my next video. Thank you.